Welcome to SOS Electronic Podcast. Today we will be talking about WAGO mini terminal blocks that will save you 60% of space on the DIN rail. WAGO's miniature terminal blocks of series 2050 and 2250 from the TOPJOB S MINI family are the most compact solution for connecting thin wires on the current market. They have all the advantages of conventional terminal blocks and, in addition, offer more flexibility in finding the optimal solution, increased connection speed, and a huge saving of space on the DIN rail in applications. Try a free sample. The biggest advantage of the two-wire terminal blocks of the WAGO TOPJOB S MINI series in comparison with the older version of the WAGO 260 DIN rail terminal blocks is the push-in cage clamp technology, which makes it possible to connect the wires to the terminal block much easier, faster, and reliably. Flexibility and space saving of the WAGO 2050 and 2250 series terminal blocks. WAGO 2050 and WAGO 2250 series of miniature terminal blocks are ideal for applications with limited space or where a standard DIN rail cannot be used. Comparing to standard DIN rail terminal blocks, they have a clear advantage when it comes to size. Thanks to their compact design, they save up to 60% of space on the DIN rail. Multiple mounting options offer maximum flexibility in finding the optimal construction solution according to the requirements and the type of application. They offer the option of mounting using the WAGO 209-120 mounting screw foot on a standard 35mm DIN rail, on the device chassis, or on a 15mm DIN rail. The modularity of WAGO terminal blocks allows you to put together the required number of poles, which can be distinguished by color. In addition, miniature terminal blocks offer a simple control measurement without the need to disconnect wires, says Pavel Buhla, product specialist from SOS Electronic. Compatibility of accessories of the WAGO TOPJOB S family. WAGO terminal blocks for DIN rail of the Mini series are the smallest version of the TOPJOB S family of terminal blocks. And since they are members of the family, all accessories are equally compatible with this Mini series. That means jumpers and bridges, for example, jumper for a star connection 2000 405 011 000, or a delta connection 2000 406 020 000, as well as marking strips, for example, continuous marking strip 2009-113 that saves time and costs. 3 mounting versions of WAGO TOPJOB S MINI terminal blocks. WAGO miniature terminal blocks are available in different versions according to the way they are attached in a specific application. The first example is a mounting on a 15mm DIN rail. In this case, we use terminal blocks with or without a button. The second example is a mounting on the chassis using a snap-in foot. In this case, we use terminal blocks with or without a button, with a thickness of a mounting plate, minimum of 0.6 mm and maximum of 1.2 mm. The third example is a mounting on the chassis using a flange and a screw. In this case, we use terminal blocks with or without a button, which are mounted with an M4 screw. 2 actuation versions of WAGO TOPJOB S MINI terminal blocks. WAGO miniature terminal blocks are available in 2 versions, the 2250 series with a button and the 2050 series without a button. The advantage of the WAGO 2250 version with a button is the immediate visual control of the position of the button and a very simple and quick handling during assembly, continues Pavol Buhla. WAGO 2250 series, WAGO Mini terminal blocks with button. Any standard hand tools can be used. The orange color of the button highlights its position and makes it easier for the user to orientate quickly. The button is a guarantee of comfortable work and easy connection even in the field. WAGO 2050 series, WAGO Mini terminal blocks without a button. The tool stays in the operating slot, leaving both hands free for wiring. After insertion, the tool shows the current position of the work. Features and advantages of the WAGO TOPJOB S MINI series of terminal blocks. Nominal voltage 500 volts. Nominal current 13.5 amps. Connection technology push-in cage clamp. Nominal cross-section 1 square millimeter. Minimum 0.14 square millimeters. Maximum 1.5 square millimeters. Working temperature range from -60 to +105 degrees Celsius. Available colors: gray, blue, yellow-green, red, yellow, black, orange, brown. 2 available series: WAGO 2250 with a button and WAGO 2050 without a button. We have included a series of WAGO miniature DIN rail terminal blocks in our product range, and along with accessories they are now available for all your projects. If you are interested in more information on WAGO products or technical advice on choosing a suitable product, we will gladly help you. Try a sample for your project. Do you need to try out a component during development? Feel free to contact us and we will be happy to provide you with a sample for the project. We assess each request individually, so please provide a brief introduction of your project in the form on our website. We only provide samples for development projects, not for private use by individuals. Thank you for understanding. For more detailed information, please contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.